Hi folks, Doug here. Ellis car Kustoms, where rainy days and Mondays always get me down, and Saturdays are even worse. Thanks for coming back to see me. Thanks for checking me out if you're new. We're a little shop in upstate New York, doing what we do with what we got, and doing the best we can. Today's the day I'm going to take those axle shafts back up on the hill and press off the wrong bearings and press on the right bearings. So we'll be able to get the rear end wrapped up on the Nomad project finally, and be able to move on to other things. Hopefully you enjoyed the little side track we did on the hard top doors. Like I said, I'll probably mix in some of that stuff to keep things going and keep moving forward on that next project. Because worst comes to worst, if we don't build a thing or whatever, we'll have a set of doors. But hopefully it'll go well. Like I said, when we press those bearings off, if they get buggered up, it's no big deal, because I have another set of bearings, so it's all good. Other than that, what else can I say? Let's do some work. Thanks for coming. So these are the bearings we pressed off to put the correct ones on. As you can see, it didn't hurt them at all. They can be used. I had that other set of bearings for a 57, but I think these will be fine. They didn't get nicked or buggered or anything. And we got the first set of the correct size ones pressed on. We just gotta do the other axle over there, and hopefully it goes just as well. Also, while we're in the business of pressing on the bearings on the other one, we got these wheel studs. We're gonna zip them in with the press and We'll have all new wheel studs, front and back. We ain't got to worry about them snapping off and our wheels trying to beat us to where we're going. There, so now we've got shiny new bearings that are the right size, and we've got shiny new wheel studs that are the right size. Everything's pressed to fit, and hopefully this will get our rear end situated and we can go from there. Well, we're back home, sweet home. The sun actually came out. It got really hot and sticky here. I want to thank my brother for letting me use his press and tools to undo my butchery and redo it the correct way. So, you want to come say hi? Come here. There you go. This is Mama Calico. She's friendly, not as friendly as Prissy, but she's friendly. So the next thing we're going to do is see if we can send these axles home with the correct bearings on them, and hopefully all goes well.
I come home to find my clothes all over the grass. Your brother's waiting on the porch just to kick my... What did I do this time? What did I say? Guess it doesn't matter, it ain't safe for me to stay. Think I'll go back to the bar where at least I have my friends. Here we go again. Here we go again. There's a party going on down here, nobody wants to go. Half the guys I'm drinking with ain't got a home no more. We can't change the way we act, can't change who we are. Said I'd never amount to much, you've been right so far. I'm living free and easy where the fun never ends. Here we go again, here we go again. Well, I love it here, drinking with my friends. Pass me another beer. Here we go again, here we go again. Aye. Just came in the door, I ran out the back. He's a big old bruising boy, a walking heart attack. If he gets his hands on me, I'm sure he'll break my neck in two. Honey, call him off of me, I'll crawl back home to you. I'll rake the leaves, I'll mow the lawn, I'll even mend the fence. Here we go again. Here we go again. Well, I love it here, drinking with my friends. Pass me another beer. Here we go again. Here we go again. Now I'm trying hard to be the man you wanted me to be. Your brother comes here every night to check up on me. I'll have to wait until he leaves to go back to the bar. Have to ride my bike so you don't hear me start my car. I'm going where it's fun and the party never ends. Here we go again. Here we go again. Oh, well, I love it here, drinking with my friends. Pass me another beer. Here we go again. Here we go again. On down the road.
So we've got the axles sent home to where they belong. They turn nice and freely. There's no play or slop or anything in the bearing, so that's good. I gotta get a couple of brake parts for that side. And over here, same deal. The brakes on the other side didn't have the clips there with the springs that hold the shoes, the little rods and springs and hats or whatever. So I got to pick up a couple of those. This side had them. I just had to split this enough to get the spreader bar out of the way to send this home, you know, so that's good shape. No slop on it, so it's always nice when a plan comes together. So, that's our story for today, and we're sticking to it. Thanks once again for coming to visit me, if you're one of my returning friends, and thanks for checking me out if you're new. Here she comes. She knows I'm signing off. It was a nice thing that we got the bearings swapped out there, and that everything fit the way it should. Come here, Press. Come say hi. Come here. You know they like to see you. Had my buddy Lon was wondering when Pris was due. I said she's not expecting, she's just fat, because she's fixed. So she's just fat, she's not pregnant. But anyway, I was jazzed to see those things go in there so nicely, and that really moves us a giant step forward, because we weren't going to go anywhere if we had no rear tires and axles. So yeah, I got to pick up some miscellaneous brake parts so I can put the brakes together, and then I've got the soft line for the back, the flex line. I just got to get some brake line to run from the front to the back, and once I get that in there, all the brake lines will be run. So we'll be able to go and we'll be able to stop. And those are two important things. So also, before I forget, I keep trying to remember to mention it. If you're new, we do have a Facebook group. Same name, Ellis Car Customs. I'll put a link to find it. So if you want to visit, there's 300 and something people over there, which is pretty cool. If you want to visit, and you can share pictures of your rides, people can see what you're working on, and you know, it's a great little group. It's, you know, because with the YouTube thing, you can't really share pictures of your rides in the comments or whatever, but you go over to the Facebook page. If you're working on a Chevy, or you're working on anything, a Ford, a Studebaker, whatever you're working on, we're we're motorcycles, we're interested in whatever. You know, put up some pictures and say hello and join the family. But till next time, thanks for coming, and I hope to see you again. Take care.